Hi, my name is Shelley Brown, and I'm going to introduce myself. I am working on my master's degree in early childhood education, and right now I'm student teaching, and I have two kids of my own. They are 20 now. I have a set of twins, a boy and a girl, and I've been married for almost 22 years, and my husband was in the military, so we didn't get to move around as much as you might think. So I've only lived in North Carolina and here in Ohio, and I am, like I said, currently working for my master's degree. I'm not sure if I really want to teach early childhood education, or if with my master's, I thought about teaching college. So I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. So my balanced literacy framework, I believe that students see reading and writing modeled, and that's how they learn. And they also share in reading and writing with the teacher. And then I know there's 5 components. That includes a reading aloud, guided reading, shared reading, independent reading, and then word study. That helps with vocabulary. The phonics approach, phonics focuses on the individual parts of letters and their sounds that combine to make the whole word. So students learn to use decoding or the process of sounding out words to begin to read and understand new words. The whole language approach focuses on children making sense of the skills used in reading and writing, as opposed to just memorizing letter sounds and symbols. Children, they say that children learn to read naturally. That's the whole idea of the whole language approach. The similarities and differences between them, auditory learners benefit from phonics, while visual learners connect with whole language. And something that I learned, or that I expect to learn this semester, is I hear a lot about reading logs or reading the running records, but I have not seen them done, and I have never used one, or I've seen one, but I've never seen it used. So hopefully I will learn about that, and I'm looking forward to this class. Thank you.